Hey guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. So this video I'm posting late and I'm really sorry for that. Actually, I have exams going on right now and also I took a break from social media, and of course YouTube includes in the list of social media. So yeah. But I saw that in all the videos which I have posted till now, the most viewed video was my Notion setup. I guess you liked it a lot, and so if this is a surprise for you guys that if I'm posting a video late, you all know that I give you surprises. So I'm not sure if you like it or not, but in today's video, as you might have seen the topic, I'm going to be telling you how to set up a Notion home page and basics of Notion. So let's begin without any further ado. Personally, I feel that my tutorials would not help each one of you. So if you want a very nice tutorial on how to set up a Notion homepage, you might check out their channel. They have a YouTube channel. So they have everything in that channel from basics till the advanced version. So when you actually open up Notion, this is the page which you will get. You can enter your email and sign up, or else you can click on the login option and let it load. It will take some time, of course. Then you can continue with your email over here, or you can continue with Google. I always prefer to continue with Google. So I'm going to choose my email and this account will appear here. My Notion setup, of course. So you all have already seen this home. Now I have a few add-ons in this home page that I will tell you afterwards that which are those add-ons and everything. Now when you actually enter into the Notion application or website, they have a Notion basics already provided over here. So they have with getting started, like how to actually get started, all the steps, the videos. The videos are actually of just 4 to 5 minutes. So, and yeah, this is their YouTube channel, Notion. You can go there and they have a very nice tutorial. Then they have this personal home, which you can have for your, daily life. And then they have the reading list. Reading list is a basic technique which everyone has, like who does not read, so they have this. And they also have a note-taking list which I have transformed into my home page. So yeah, now when you have to add a page, you click on this add a page option, simply click on it and you will get this kind of layout. You can write any title you want to. For example, I'm writing home and I can decide the text from here. So you can click on this 3 button icon and they give you different text which you can choose, and these texts will be applied for the whole Notion home page. So you can choose the one which you like. I'm choosing mono for now. You can add icon. You can add any icon you want to. There are a lot many emojis provided here. And if you don't want to add emojis, you can upload an image from one of your files. For example, I'm uploading this MSN News image. Or you can even link any image. So you can just paste the link of the image from Google and submit it. That will come here, but that will take a little bit of time. So better you download that image and then upload it. You can also remove it if you want. Just click on it and this is the remove option. You can click on random. There will be any random icon, and for choosing emojis, you all know. So then it is add cover option is given. You can add any cover. You can click on the reposition option and you can resize. Not actually resize. You can just change it its position. Yeah, you can change the cover like this. They have this color and gradient option first, and then they have all for space and patterns, museums and all. So you can change it. If you don't like their covers, you can go to upload, choose an image again. This time I'm not choosing that one. You can choose any image you want to from your file. That will upload here. You can even change it, like you can even link an image. And Unsplash, if you don't have an image related to your topic of your home page, you can just search for it. So as you can see, there are a lot many images here, so it's kind of a search option is very good for me, I think. And you can even remove this thing. So yeah, it's quite easy. You can add a comment if you want, like a brief comment of what you are going to keep in this home page. Then you can press enter to continue. So anything you can do over here. You know, you can type something if you want, or maybe you can click here and you can delete that. Then again you will have this, all these things, empty with icon, empty, templates. You can have templates. They already have templates for a few things, not for a few things. They have templates for design, education, engineering, home resources, marketing, personal, product management, sales, support. When you go to personal, you can see quick note, personal, home, task list, journal. So you can just see that journals and everything, and whichever you like for yourself, like whichever you feel suits you, you can choose that. So what the problem occurs is that when you have to use this template, they will ask you that you have already created a Notion home page, so you want to delete that and add this template. If you don't want to do that, you can discard. So yeah, this is how it works. So then the whole home page will, be in that template option. So it's like pretty much very nice, I think, but we don't want this. Then what the next thing comes with, that when you have by mistake added that template which you didn't want, and you feel all my those hard work has gone in trash. No, don't worry, you can click on the trash option. You can delete the pages that you don't want, and then you can look for your home page. It will be there. And when you don't find anything over there, you can click on in current page. If you have deleted something from the current page, you can click on that thing. So if you still don't find, you can search for it. Anyway, it will come after a while. It takes a while basically. So now let's not concentrate on all these things, as I have already taught you how to do everything. Then there are databases which they give. And import option is like for, you can import anything which you want. So in databases, you can click on home, and then you can change the view. You can click on board and then create. So it will turn into a board view. If you don't want any board view, you can still add a view, I guess. So then once it is given, the second view is given, you can click here and you can click on default view, which was there before, and you can change from between here, and then you can add another view which you want. You can add gallery, for example, wherein you can insert pictures and everything. So this is the way you add views. Now if you don't want any views, for example, you can click on this 3-button option. You can go to templates, you can go to properties and everything. You can add a new template, you can add properties, you can add text for multi-select, number, select, date, person checkbox. Let's for now add the checkbox. If you want to add a description of what you have made, you can do that as well. You can lock the database so that nothing is moving and you can refer it easily. You can even export that database. Now for I'm deleting it, deleting this page, and now I will teach you that how to add a home page without any of those databases and template. So just press enter and click here, this plus icon which you can see. If you don't want to write anything, just click here, and then first option will be of course for the text, for just starting writing and everything. Then for the page, if you want to link any page like a sub page into that home, so you can see that there is this sub page coming over here. If you want to delete that, click on this. If you want to move it, you can also move it. For now I'm deleting it, but if you want to duplicate, you can do that as well. Okay, so you can add a to-do list as well. For now I'm writing, sorry, so you can do something like that. Then you can add another view for headings. So there are different headings provided. I hope you understand all the headings properly, because I don't have to explain that there are heading 1, 2, 3. We all know about that. Then there is a bulleted list which you can keep your shopping list if you want. Then there is number list as the bulleted list. Then there is this toggle list. You all must be knowing about it, but still I'll explain. So you can name that toggle like anything, for example, YouTube goals. Then you can click on the toggle, and this is an empty toggle. You can add text here. You can, if you don't want to add text inside that toggle, there is a plus option. You can add anything. Maybe if you don't want to add text, you want to add a callout, you can add that as well. When you open it, it will appear here like this. So I have already told you how to add a callout or call out, whatever. So you can add a quote as well, divider for dividing things. So let's just take a divider here. See? So everything is very nice. And then you can mention a person. For example, mentioning myself. So you can mention that this page belongs to. So for example, you have not made a page for yourself. Maybe you have made it for a sister, your brother, or for your mom, dad, anything, or for your friends. So you can just mention that person. You can mention a page that you can just check out this page, or you can link that page so that when you click on this, it will take you that. So yeah, the same way you can search for an emoji, you can inline equations. So this is good for max as well. If you want some max problems, you can just open up this and just go for this equations option. Then there is again this databases, which you all know now. You can also create a linked database if you want. Then these many of the users don't know. I have seen that how to upload image, how to web bookmark, how to upload video, audio, code, and a file. So I'll teach you this. So image, when you click on the upload image option, you can choose an image, of course, again. So that image will appear here. You can resize that image if you want. Okay, after uploading an image, if you want to upload a web bookmark, you can just save a link and upload that. So yeah, after you have added a bookmark, now let's see some another option. So how to add a video, how to add audio, how to add code. So video and audio are same as image. If you have an SoundCloud or Spotify, anything like that, you have to link any playlist like I have linked in my home page. Most of you don't know how to link a playlist. So I've done this with the help of that audio option from Spotify. So yeah, you can do that. Next we have code. So that code is actually for any of the things you want to insert. So you can also use it for coding, maybe for SQL, HTML, JavaScript, C, or C++, anything, Yeah. So for now, let's type for JavaScript. Let's type anything. So this is one key option which I have given here. So like that you can do anything you want to. You can also upload a file or link a file. Okay, you can link it. But I am right now choosing a file. So let's choose this one. So that image file, it was an image file actually, so that link to that image file will come over here. And then of course there are a lot many options to upload from anything you want to, anything. Actually you can upload a PDF as well. I think uploading a PDF will be the most useful option. So, and then there are like advanced blocks already created by Notion which you can use if you don't want to, clutter something. So you can see this template button. You can add a new to-do like this, and so it's so amazing. Like actually, you can just click on adding, and yeah, that's how it works. So I hope that everything is much more clear now, like actually the basics that how to actually upload things. So that's all for today's video. If you give this video more likes than the earlier which I made the video of, my Notion setup, if you give this more likes, of course I'll bring another video now in an advanced version, because I have taught you the basics, so I'll teach you the pro one. So as I was talking in earlier that I have a different something added to my Notion setup. So this is the page which I have added, YouTube page. As you can see that this page is very aesthetic. So yeah, I have not added, of course, like I have created this page, but I have taken the idea from one of my favorite tech YouTubers. I'll link her channel down below so you can subscribe her. She has taught me a lot many things for computers. I'm very grateful to her. Thank you so much. So I have just walked on her steps, that whatever she is guiding I kept on doing. So I have not copied her template, though she provided one. If this template is not convenient to you, you can copy her template. So yeah. But then, yeah, I have not anything, copied. It's all my work, but ideas are hers. So credits goes to her, half her and half mine. I'll add a divider here because this is a different page. Okay, so what I have here is milestone for like subscribers, how many subscribers I have, and everything, to just check the subscribers list, and archive, so like what I want to achieve in my life, what I want to just gain in my life. So goals for YouTube, I have not added anything yet, nothing, as you can see, just an icon. So yeah, I'll add it soon. Then video ideas, in the form of a table, and mini YT to do. This you all know, this I have talked about in my last video. So in video ideas, these are the tags and I have used select option for them. So I can select from finished, declutter or rethink. So when I add idea and I have already done the video, then I can choose for finish. And when I add an idea and I have not done that video and I don't want to do that video either, I can use this option declutter. And when I add an idea and I want to rethink that can I create this video, I have the essentials or not, so for that rethink. So yeah, this is how it works. And then I have added this picture. Sometimes you win and sometimes you learn. So you never lose. If you lose, you of course learn. So don't fall. So goals for January, can I put my goal here and for the entire year? Then in my life dash, I have updated a lot. Like till now, you have seen all these things till this month and everything, but this is something that I have updated. You all must be knowing that again, this is something aesthetic. So I have copied this, all these things I have actually copied. So let's just delete this thing, your title, because I have copied. So the YouTuber from which I have copied, she's so kind, so she has put up everything nicely. It's like your title and everything. Yeah. Okay, so what is it actually? So first is how's your day, wherein I have my mood tracker where I can just write down the date, my feeling, and in that I have like emojis for that option and my thoughts if I have any. Then I have my brain dump. Brain dump is basically that I am like a bit confused for something going on in my life, so I can just write down the date. It's a toggle list as you can see, and I can just write down what all thoughts are disturbing me. So then I have school purpose, and for that I have academia. I have named it as academia, this book. Then this is my first semester going on, so I've written first sem, my weekly schedule, that like which subject I have to study at which time. And this is a small little toggle list for journaling. You know, my journaling is my favorite hobby, so I have that in this image. You got this. And then I have my performance task output. So here I have my name of any subject. Subject 1, 2, 3, the name, status that I'm doing it, I'm going to plan it, I'm going finalizing, or I have done it, and the deadline. I can choose it, of course. Then for personal, I have my codes, which I have not added yet, but I want to have my codes. So for that, I have this page. So reminders to myself, the quote which always I wanted to remind myself again and again, and include some more quotes, reminders, anything. So it is for that purpose. And this image, and yeah, that's it that I have added on. But I want to do something else with this. I mean, this whole thing seems so beautiful to me, honestly. So I just want to customize it a little bit. I'll just move this to my life dash. And YouTube I will add to, not to school, but it's something like social media kind of thing to me. So yeah, now all these things are like so aesthetic, all these pages and things. So I think I'll add something here. Let's just create a page. So in this aesthetic space, I'll add everything. So I hope you all have understood right now that how I am moving everything. Now let's again change it to full width. So you can change the pages with full width and small text if you want. I think something is missing, guys. I don't know what it is. But something is missing. Guys, I think this yellow color doesn't suit. Yeah, this is better. Okay, so as I said that I don't like this yellow color. It's not suiting because everything here is a brown color mostly. So I think I'll change that color. Now I'll take you to the YouTuber whom I was talking about, that I have taken all the tech ideas from her. So yeah guys, this is her actually. Oh, why haven't I subscribed? So this is her video on how to make aesthetic Notion setup, and of course how she organizes her things. I just love the video so much, honestly, and she has all her templates here, which you can copy the link, you can go to new tab, paste and go to that link. The next thing will be that templates appearing, which you can duplicate, and then it will duplicate to your Notion setup. I'm clicking on this dashboard and I'm going to choose this icon to make my aesthetic place. I'm just duplicating dashboard to my Notion setup. So here it is. So that let's just save this image first. Okay, let's change this. I'm sorry to say, like, I'm not sure enough, but I just don't like her cover page much. So I'm done with the work. I'm going to delete it. I'll go back to my aesthetic page and I'll change the cover. Let's just search for one. If I don't get one, I'll go to Google and get one. It looks good to my self, I can say, but I don't know if it is actually good or not. Yeah, I'll now move it to something else. So yeah guys, I hope my video helped you a lot, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and do whatever you want, comment down, share it. And before I leave, I want to give a shout out to one of my best friends, Antra Bush. She's always commenting on my videos. Thank you so much, Antra, and it like really means a lot. Sometimes I might not be able to reply you in big sentences. I'm sorry for that, but it really means a lot to me. And if you guys want to know that she has a channel or not, check my description box. Okay, so one more thing I want to mention, that I am going to link this aesthetics paste template so that you can copy or duplicate it for yourself. Waiting for your comments, guys. Bye.